YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. I've been doing videos for a little over 10 years now. So in that case, a lot of my first videos that still, I think, have pretty good information in them are not being watched at all because YouTube, they're just too old for YouTube to want to use them, I guess, or put them up on their lists. So in that case, also, YouTube is not paying all that well, so hit that thumbs up and subscribe and all those good things. I appreciate it very much. But I am going to take some of those and revamp them because I was not near sadly, I was not near as good as I am now with videos. Also, since I've changed the name on my channel, some of those older ones have my old channel name, things like that on. So I'm just going to kind of cut some of that stuff out, cut some of the talking out, and try and make them a little bit better as far as the editing is concerned. Without further ado, I hope you enjoy my older video here. I bought these brand new inserts thinking, oh, I'm cutting these down, I'm going to need to put some inserts in them. And then I thought, you know, I just use this garden variety. You can go to Walmart, wherever, glue stick. That's all that is one of those hot glue gun sticks. And I've used those for a long time now, and they work perfectly fine. Anyhow, so I figured, well, why couldn't I just do the opposite of how I put them in and heat these things up? Although you don't want to heat them up this much to actually get them in. That's all on my video. Basically, I'm just turning this thing, heating her up pretty good. That glue, you know, once it hardens, it'll melt again. I'm just getting on it. A pair of pliers or anything. I just have this, happens to be in my toolkit for doing archery. Just use one of those. You could just use a regular pair of pliers. But just warm the thing up, grab it with your pliers, pull it on out. You got a perfectly good insert here. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that and got something out of it. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master none. You all have a good one.